Imagine living in a neighborhood with no HOA and no city taxes, but still less than 20 minutes from all the shopping and dining that Aiken has to offer. Step inside this cozy Brook Ranch to find nearly 1,700 square feet of living space, a split floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and new carpet and LVP throughout the house. You'll also appreciate the large fenced-in backyard, and did I mention no HOA? You do not want to miss out on this one. For more info on this property, contact me today.